Jefferson County Court Law number 2 is back in session with our arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of March 8th of 2022. We'll now proceed to our bond forfeitures. First case is cause number 325532. Case is style of State of Texas versus Diego Zampop Gamza. Diego Zampop Gamza was scheduled to be in court this morning for the arraignment docket at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the bailiff called Diego Zampop Gamza's name at, see here, it says, does this say ICE custody?
That's what it says, Judge.
Yeah, that's the
His
same
name
guy
seems
that
familiar.
Yeah, he's been on since the summertime. And
Is he-
we didn't
is-
know if he was in ICE, and then on that day they found out he was actually in ICE.
Yeah, this was just as of January 25th, which was okay. We need to look into that one. Let's do this here. If he is, we'll just withdraw. If he is not, then we'll. Yeah, the district attorney could. I mean, they can look into that, right? How do you?
We've tried before. I think the best we've gotten to is just trying to find him on some website.
Oh, okay.
Because like we don't have a direct line to ICE or something that I'm aware of.
Okay.
Maybe the jail would know. Sometimes the jail has better information about where these people are.
Yeah. Do we? Is there anything in the system? Hold on. Nope. We don't. Okay. There's a note. That note was put in January 25th of 2022. Well, let's do. We'll just go through. We'll still look further into it. Okay. At or about 9 a.m. on today's date, Diego Zampop Gamza's name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Diego Zampop Gamza did not answer. Diego Zampop Gamza has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:05 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Diego Zampop Gamza?
Diego Zampop Gamza. No response.
Okay, Diego Zampop Gamza's name was just called by the court's bailiff. Diego Zampop Gamza did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Diego Zampop Gamza an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor. The state moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Next case is cause number 330798. Case is style of State of Texas versus Jailer Marie Guillory. Jailer Marie Guillory was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's announcement docket at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Jailer Guillory at the courthouse door. Jailer Guillory did not answer. Jailer Guillory has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:06 a.m. on today's date of March 8th of 2022. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jailer Guillory at the courthouse door?
Jailer Guillory. No response.
Jailer Guillory's name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Jailer Guillory did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Guillory an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yeah, state moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Court is in session in cause number 331386. Case is styled State of Texas versus Courtney Darcy, or Courtney R. Darcy. Courtney Darcy was scheduled to be in court this morning, 9 a.m. for the court arraignment docket at or about 9 a.m. Court's bailiff called the name of Courtney Darcy at the courthouse door. Courtney Darcy did not answer. Courtney Darcy has not appeared in court since the court has been in session, and the time now is 11:07 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Courtney Darcy?
Courtney Dorsey. No response.
Courtney Darcy's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Courtney Darcy did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Darcy an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yeah, state moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Courtney Darcy's bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest in cause number 331386. Next case is cause number 331394. The case is styled as State of Texas versus Ray Charles Jones. Ray Jones was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Ray Jones, and Ray Jones did not answer. Ray Jones has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:08 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Ray Jones?
Ray Jones. No response.
Ray Jones' name was just called again at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Ray Jones did not answer. Ray Jones, reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Jones an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yeah, state moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Ray Jones' bond will be forfeited. A warrant shall be issued for his arrest in cause number 331394. Next case is cause number 331442. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Sunshine Monique Banks. Sunshine Banks was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., Sunshine Banks' name was called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Sunshine Banks did not answer. Sunshine Banks has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:10 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Sunshine Banks?
Sunshine Banks. No response.
Sunshine Banks' name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Sunshine Banks did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Banks an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, state moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Sunshine Banks' bond will be forfeited and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest in cause number 331442. The next case is cause number 331558. The case is styled the State of Texas versus Carriana Dominique Thomas. Carriana Thomas was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called the name of Carriana Thomas. Carriana Thomas did not answer, and Carriana Thomas has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 11:11 a.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Carriana Thomas?
Terrence Thomas. No response.
Carriana Thomas' name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Carriana Thomas did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Carriana Thomas an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yeah, the state moves for bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Carriana Thomas' bond will be forfeited, and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest in cause number 331558. And this will conclude the calling of County Court at Law number 2, Raymond docket, which was scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of March 8th of 2022. Judge Terrence L. Holmes presiding. Everyone